Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video to show you how to install flashing for a wood burning chimney on a shingled roof. Show you guys all the steps. What you're going to need is the flashing itself for the right size chimney, some flash cement, and some nails. Alrighty, so before I install the box, I want to get my flashing set up as well, because the top half of it has to go under these tiles. The rest will sit over the top. So I'm going to have to cut some of these tiles off here to make sure this fits. I'm just going to put this even over our box hole and trace out what I need to cut off. I want it to be just centered, which I'm looking at my cuts. I'll show you guys a close up in a second. This is what I mean. I'm gonna have to cut off that excess right there so I can slide this under the shingles. Now you want to grab a pry bar and get all the nails loose here, because we gotta get up in there. And we gotta get up in there at least 6 inches. So I'm gonna get under here, just lift up any possible nails. Probably the sides here as well. Alright, so once you have all the nails out, you should have enough space now to do a quick test fit. I'm just going to slide this right on there. Cut the round edges here. I trim them up a little more, but it looks like we are centered, so we will be able to take this out, secure it down, cement it, all that, and we'll be all set. I just want to trim some of these edges off here. That's what it's going to look like. The bottom stays open. Alrighty, we can move now with install of the box. So before you actually secure the flashing, before you put the chimney in, just do a test fit, because now I noticed I had to move it up a little higher than it was, so I didn't have it perfectly centered. So now I'm going to outline this and just cut my cutouts as much as needed in the shingles to make sure everything fits properly, and then we can install it. And basically the reason I had to misalign is because of the slight angle of the roof. So as you see, I still have to cut another inch in as well, these ends, and then we'll be good to go. Another quick test fit. Now it fits well, so now we can begin the official install. Alrighty, now we can do the actual install. So I'm using FlashMate for my cement. I'm gonna run a nice generous bead all around. Slide this on. Watch out the roofing paper if you have it. Yeah, sometimes can get jammed in there. Get under it. I'll just get it out of the way. There we go. Do a quick test fit. The chimney. Okay. Cut a little extra piece here because that exposed, so I'm gonna glue that on as well in a second. Then we'll nail this section down and so on. Let me show you guys a close-up. That's basically it. I'm gonna cover all this with the flashing cement as well. Roof tar, whatever you got. That's that. Alrighty, now we can seal it all up. And don't be afraid to be generous. You want to make sure you have no water leaks. Any of the tiles that are lifting up a lot, just put some flashing on there as well, especially these over here. I already put some under here, but I'm gonna put a, oh, okay, I don't need to, it's already basically glued itself down. Few nails, about half an inch from the side. And now just cover up the nails with the flashing as well. And that's really it, guys. This is how you install flashing on a roof. Now all that's left to do is pop the chimney in, cap, so on, and you are all set. As long as it's all sealed up, No water's getting in there anymore. Of course, remember to put the storm color on your chimney as well. Thanks for watching. If you want to see a full detailed video of the whole install, just check out my other videos, follow my channel, check out the whole sauna build, and lots more here, guys. Thank you so much.